Hi, and welcome back for part 4 of Tips and Tricks within PlanSwift. The previous Tips and Tricks videos focused on streamlining your takeoff experience. In this video, we want to dive into some commonly used settings to help ensure the program works the way you want it. To view the settings within PlanSwift, select the Settings tab at the top of the screen. Once there, a menu with different settings categories displays along the left to help you navigate to the settings you want to view. Note that there are separate videos already in our library which discuss the activation settings and data storage options, so we'll skip ahead to some other items in this video. Let's start by selecting the General option on the left. Within this section, you should be aware of the setting that says Automatically Deactivate License when exiting. This option allows you to free up the license for others when you aren't actively using the program. Let's keep moving down to the section that says Keyboard Hotkeys. In many of the videos in our library, we've pointed out the default keyboard hotkeys within the system. But you can customize many of those hotkeys within this window. Here, you can easily assign your preferred hotkeys to the tasks you use most often, allowing you to work more efficiently when performing your takeoffs. Now, let's move down and look at the interface settings. The main thing to note here is the color scheme dropdown. If you dislike PlanSwift's default blue color theme, just click the dropdown and select one of the other options. This selection doesn't affect how the software performs, but is merely a personal customization option to make the program look how you want it. Now, continue to the Zoom Pan options. Here, you can see various options relating to the speed of different types of zooming and panning you can perform within the program. You can use the sliders to change the speed of your zooms and pans. You can also enable or disable the Hover Pan Zoom option within this window. Next, select Annotations. Within the Annotations window, you can change the default settings for your different types of annotations. Just click on the box for the specific type of annotation you want to modify, and then you can change the default settings of things like colors, fonts, and line sizes. There are also options along the bottom of the window to determine whether the image legend automatically displays by default and whether values and units display within the image legend. Let's skip down to the Takeoff Tools window. Here, you can set the transparency levels for the different types of takeoff you can draw. For instance, I like my linears and segments to be more solid and my areas to be more transparent so that I can easily tell them apart when they overlap. In addition, you can alter the size of points, drag handle nodes, and line sizes, allowing you to more easily see and select the items on the screen. If you continue down to the Notifications window, you can indicate if you want to receive notifications within PlanSwift. The Update Notifications section lets you choose if you want to receive notifications when updates are available to the program. If you wish to receive those notifications, you can further indicate if you want to receive notifications for all updates or only for recommended updates. The remaining checkboxes allow you to show or hide various other notifications in PlanSwift. Lastly, let's take a look at the advanced options. Note the option that says Maximum Number of Instances. This setting allows you to run more than one instance of PlanSwift on your computer if you need to do so. However, we generally don't recommend running more than one instance of PlanSwift as it uses more system resources and can slow down your computer or even cause crashes. You can tailor the software to your specific needs by reviewing the options within the Settings tab. Take the time to explore these features, customize them to fit your workflow, and increase your efficiency when working in PlanSwift.